everyone. When creating the same character in Midjourney, creating images of shots of multiple poses is, I explained in another video, the result of a series of verifications. I have found a more stable spell I would like to introduce to you.
I'm glad. I was also making the same character, but I couldn't stabilize the image to produce multiple poses. I was having a hard time.
This is the spell. The key point is the first sentence. If you keep it as it is, it will be very stable. The screen is divided into 6 sections now. A stable screen like this will be created. After by, please enter your favorite artist name or style. The 16:9 aspect ratio can be changed. The probability of losing 6 segments increases. It will just be 8 or 4 sections. It will not have a big impact. The stability will be reduced, but you can change it if you like. If you add any other spells, the probability of evenness will be changed. The probability of equalization will change, especially if you add elements other than faces. There is a large variable impact. For example, pants, shoes, scenery, buildings. This is a spell about. These spells add significant changes to the image and stability will be compromised. Therefore, in base character generation, my recommended procedure is, do not add anything extra. Clothing and scenery should be added after the base is generated. Can be changed. Now, let's start with the base image. I will demonstrate again. First, once the base image is created, get the seed values. For the seed value, click on the Add Reaction button in the upper right corner of the image, and then click on the envelope icon. Then the seed value will be sent to you with the image. Then, zoom in on the base image and crop the image. You can use any tool for cropping. I use the free Windshot tool. After cropping and saving the image, drag and drop it into Midjourney. Right-click on the dropped image. Get the link to the image. Copy and paste the link into Notepad. Next, paste the link to the image. Then paste all the links to the image and add the spell you originally put in. Remove the same girl part at the beginning. Then add the spells you want to change. In this case, I shortened her hair and changed the color to pink. And changed the color of her clothes to make it a full body shot. Finally, I forgot an important point. Please add the seed value you obtained earlier. Note that even if you don't add the seed value, you can still create a very similar character. However, it may not be stable. The more spells you add, the more stable it will be. The more spells you add, the more the prototype will change. Seed value is recommended. Finally, I would like to finish by creating a swimsuit pattern. This time, I didn't make a very beautiful swimsuit. But if you try it several times, you will be satisfied with the image. In this article, we will show you how to generate a stable base image. We have found a more stable spell, and we hope you will be satisfied with the results. I hope it will be of help to you.
Please subscribe to our channel and give us a high rating. Bye bye.